Hey guys, so in this episode we are going to be respraying the wagon, and what a process it was. You can see in the video when we started stripping her down, you can see all the grime and dust underneath all those sections like the trim, and that comes from the previous owner actually using the car to tow his paraglider up to the top of the coxcomb. So this vehicle was actually smashing gravel roads. And I think it's about time someone took some proper care of her. So in this episode, we are going to be washing all that grime off of her, flattening her down, stripping her to the bare bones, flattening her down. You can see she got T-boned on the rear section. So we had to take all that body filler off, sort the rust out, and there's a whole bunch of things done. And then in episode 2, we're going to be respraying her. But I hope you guys enjoy this episode. And stay tuned. Cheers. I know that Luke from Hoballs purchased this car as a non-runner, and before he bought it, it must have been sitting under a tree for what seems like a decade. I mean, just look at this dirt buildup. It's crazy. So I know that the first owner of this car used to be super into paragliding, and he'd drive out to the Coxcomb Mountains. And if you know the Coxcomb, you'll know that there are these long, gnarly gravel roads all the way up to the top. He used to tow his paraglider up there on a trailer, which probably explains why there's dust in every nook and cranny of this car. So that's why we're going to give the car and the panels a second wash, now that it's been stripped. Body filler. started working this area where we found that body filler, and yeah, obviously this car was pranged from the side because you can see how thick this body filler is over here. There's a hole here, bits of rust coming through. Yeah, hidden gremlins, you could say. And then we've also decided to take the windows out so that we can attend to this rust over here. And the doors are also going to be coming off so that we can also attend to some of the rust on the bottom of the door, and it'll just be a lot easier to be able to do it with the doors off.
So as you can see, the original fenders were 2.7 kgs and the jacked carbon ones are 0.86, so big difference.
Let's get this thing primed. The amount of fumes I inhaled to get these shots, tuss.
just like that, the car is primed and ready to be sprayed. I wonder if you can guess what color we'll be spraying it. It's definitely not going to be matte black, but you'll just have to wait and see.